We are leaving.
We're out.
I'm so sad for some reason.
Sad?
Dylan, that wasn't enough timing.
I didn't see it snow.
Oh my god, this is it. Please don't break the windshield. So we made it to our first destination, and look at this. This is a free campsite with fire pit. Look at these views. Oh my goodness. Do you think it's dangerous? I'm scared. Dun-dun. Good morning, world. We planned on waking up really early.
This is sunrise, but it was freaking blocked.
Yeah, it's so cloudy and it's snowing. It's pretty cold.
Just knowing.
It's cold and snowing.
Chilly last night. Driving through a little bit of snow right now. Gonna go find somewhere to hike and hopefully catch a couple views, you know? See what happens.
Where we were going, the road is closed, so where are we going?
St. Mary's Glacier.
St. Mary's Glacier is where we're going. It's like 2 hours away, but it's only 10 a.m. now, so we got all day. It's so cute. We're at St. Mary's Glacier now, and it's like a 1 mile hike. We're at 10,000 feet elevation, and it's $5 a park. Is that all the information? Whew.
There's only one thing I trust to get me to the top of a 12,000 foot peak, and that's Arbonne's Fizz.
Are you joking right now? This is our second free campsite. Oh my gosh. Just roasting some dogs on the fire. Oh yeah. Because I don't think we're gonna make it tonight. Okay, it's morning of day 3.
It's
Our second morning. Wow. We were gonna go horseback riding tomorrow, but it got canceled.
Of course, because of the rain.
Because the rain
And the snow.
and the snow are very our luck. And so the next 3 days is supposed to be beautiful, but we are going to leave the Rocky Mountains and head down towards Sand Dune, Great Sand Dune National Park. And we just want to be warm. It's been like 32 degrees here the whole time we've been here, and it's so cold. Our fingers are gonna fall off. So, headed that way. We just arrived for our 3rd night. Golden hour. Beautiful free camping spot once again. Done breaking some wood over there. Cook up some pepperoni rolls thanks to Mrs. Curtin. Dylan's perfectly organized stick pile. Okay guys, we're on our way to Arches, and our campsite last night was sweet, and it didn't rain, and it wasn't that cold. It was still pretty cold, but it says it's gonna be 70 in Arches, so can't wait to get there. Guys, we just went to find this like really cool campsite in the canyon, and you had to drive on those skinny freaking roads up on the ledge of this mountain right here. At least a full 24 hours to recuperate from the drive on the ledge, and we had to take it again.
Freaking car came, had to back up.
Car came, had to back up on 1-lane roads. My throat has hurt since we like left and got here, and so we're making some tea. Professional. We're getting good, guys. How's your trip going so far?
Excellent.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Huh? I'm waiting.
That is a highway! Quaint town, Mexican hat.
Mexican hat. San Juan Inn Trading Post. Dun, 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 dun. Pizza, beer, sandwiches, malts, and sundaes. Gas, $3.25. Dylan, it's so sad.
It's a milestone.
It's a big milestone.
Nine. Oh, that's weird, man.
Oh,
It's a lot of numbers down there. It's a lot of numbers down there. Useless now. It's worthless.
It's worthless. It's worthless. Let's get rid of it.
Now when we sell it, when people search for cars at 5,000 miles and below,
It's
guess
worthless.
what?
Worthless. So sad. Big milestone here.
Now we start again. On our way to 200.
Alright, we just finished at Antelope Canyon. It was awesome. And now we're in Page, Arizona. And we got a hotel for the night. And we're going to stay here. We're going out to eat. And just enjoying the city life. Tour stuff. We made it to our hotel. I'm so happy. We found this on an app called Hotels Tonight. And it has cheap hotel rooms that haven't been booked yet. So, yeah. Alright, we're back on the road. We're clean. We're rested. And we're heading to Horseshoe Bend. It's gonna be packed. We've just entered Zion. Pretty bummed because a lot of the trails are closed. A lot. It leaves 4 Buffalo viewing area. Look at all the people up against the fence. Our windshield's so dirty.
I wanted to see him like this. I'll go to the freaking zoo.
We are entering Zion National Park. I thought we were coming out.